Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sidra Iqbal, teacher of zoology, as a learner, guide and researcher of zoology. With the zone of YouTube and the platform of zoology explorers, I'll describe the research-based experiment. And then honestly speaking, this topic is a rare topic which will helpful in the field of zoology, especially in two variants. First one is the effect of zeolites, and second one is the most important health and growth performance of catla fish, and the which is the zeolite, how to affect the parameter of water. Let we start the journey of our YouTube channel on the topic of effect of zeolite based feed on growth performance of catla. Seriously, introduction is the first part in which introduce the topic what is the actual value of fish, and especially what is the catla and what is the importance of catla. Second one is the aims and objectives, which is the goal of this experiment. Third one is the materials and methods, which factor are required. It may be biotic factor and abiotic factor, and methodology are required, which method are required for this experiment. Fourth one is the result, which is the actually based on quantitative mode, as in the graphical presentations or tabular form. Fifth one is the conclusion, in which all steps are concluded. Furthermore, if you have any question, put them in comment box. I'll try to answer them. First of all, as introduction, basically Pakistan is a agricultural country and rich with natural water resources. The government of Pakistan has taken various steps to improve the fisheries sector and its export. In this context, a number of initiatives both at micro and macro level are being taken by federal and provincial fisheries department, including power of extension services, introduction of new fishing and methodologies, development of value added products, enhancement of per capita consumption of fish, upgradation of socio-economic condition of the fisherman community. In the freshwater fishes, Mrigal carp, catfish, Catla fish, which is commonly known as a Thala due to its weight size is like as a Thala in the South Punjab, which is mostly eaten, and Rohu, trout, mahseer are commonly eaten in all over the Pakistan as well as Bangladesh, India and Iran. Basically, fish is one of the main food stream for the emerging population of our planet. In this regard, there is need, basically this is need to increase the extent of managed reproduction of fish resources. Thus, to solve this problem, this is basically a huge problem in the next upcoming 20 to 30 years. This is a problem. To solve this problem, it is necessary to develop aquaculture. Actually, what is aquaculture? Aquaculture is understood as breeding, maintenance, cultivation of fish in natural as well as artificial reservoir or marine plantations. In industrial aquaculture, including recirculating aquaculture system as known as RAS, fish. To healing this problem, fish is when taking as fish, water quality is a critical factor in fish farming, particularly in freshwater. Hence, to obtain the optimum production of freshwater, fish farming and ensure fish growth, survival, water quality should be monitored. One of the most important water parameter to be controlled for the aquaculture is nitrogen compound. The concentration of total ammonia is the key limiting water quality parameter in aquaculture. In confined or recirculating system of aquaculture such as tanks, aquarium, the causes of disease and fish mortalities are related to the outcome of ammonia from the decomposition of excreta. Temperature ranges between 25 to 30 degrees centigrade begin the optimum for catla growth and reproduction state. Catla is basically species in bottom feeder which take feed from the at the bottom state of their mannered form. What is actually zeolite? The question is arises when how to tackle the large amount of ammonia in the present of tank, and second one question is arises how we neutralize the effect of ammonia in recirculating system as tanks and aquarium. The simple answer is the at the very specific amount of zeolite giving in the pellet form. What is zeolite? Actually, zeolite is the crystallized hydrated aluminosilicates alkaline and earth alkaline cation which possess endless three-dimensional crystal structure. Zeolites have been used to remove ammonia from the water in fish production system, tanks for transport. Remarkably, even at low concentration, ammonia possesses a toxic impact on fish and hence may cause serious problem in aquaculture reproduction. The probable effect of high concentration of ammonia on fish species reared in collapsible and concrete tanks include damages to tissue, gills, kidney as well as reduction in growth. So, element present within molecular sieve of zeolite is exchanged with heavy metal of water resources. This result into on no availability of heavy metal to fish and thus no any deleterious effect on the fish. All the study of this experimental based research is that first one is the investigate the effect of different doses group A, group B, group C, which is taken as 30%, 35% and 40% of zeolite. Different doses of zeolite when given on the different type of a groups which is separately managed in laboratory. Different doses of zeolite are given on the growth performance of Catla. The main purpose is that in how to effect is given on the zeolite on the growth performance of Catla. Second one is the which is the main topic as the water quality and to evaluate the growth performance of fish by giving different dietary zeolite doses. Materials and methods. First part of this project, an experimental trial for 30 days. At laboratory scale, fish meal replaced with wheat, ground corn, oil, fish meal, vitamins, barley and specific amount of zeolite in each group, group A, group B and group C as respectively 300 grams in group A, 350 grams in group B, 400 grams in group C. Ingredients and composition are calculated value of zeolites as percentage wise 30%, 35 and 40%. Actually 40 thala as a 40 thala individual of about 25 grams each obtained from a hatchery. They acclimatized for 5 to 10 days, almost 5 to 10 days at laboratory scales. This is the approximate composition of different experimental diet the main thing in this tabular form is that the actually amount of zeolite in group A is 300 grams, in group B is 350 grams, in group C 400 grams, but the all other field are equally. Without the control group, zeolites are not present in them. Next is materials and method as a growth parameter formulas. Growth in term of weight will be measured at the initiation trial and at the end of the trial. Before the trial, it measured in total length, weight and standard length. Again, after the completing the trial, this process is rescheduled. Weight gain percentage, feed conversion ratio and specific growth rate will be calculated by standard formulas as given. Weight gain percentage, FCR formula. Actually, the result of this all experiment is that usage of zeolite as a feed, how it affect the on the growth of the as well as weight, length and standard length is calculated in this experiment. How it affect on the growth of the Catla. The usage of zeolite as a feed additive also had a simulative effect in daily feed consumption and nutrition. Maximum growth occurring group C, group B and group A. Group C have more growth as compared to group B, and group B have more growth as weight, length and standard length as compared to group B. Maximum growth of final length is occur as the group C with the amount of 28.08 grams, and maximum value of final standard length is occurring as 15.13 grams, and lowest was the 12.49 grams. Lowest weight was occurring as 0.97 observed in the group A. Results in as a tabular form indicate the different doses of zeolite, how it impact the growth, weight and length effects. Average show the 1.72 increase in weight in group A. First parameter is that group A first treatment 1.72 grams increase in total length is that 1.8 in total length increase, which is the average one. This last point is shown that the average growth in standard length, total length and weight. Next one is the first treatment graphical representation, which is the most highest thing is that total length. In the group A, total length is more as compared to the weight and standard length. Next one is the group B, which have the 350 gram of zeolite feed additives, which show the increase in weight is 2.44 gram, increase in total length is the 3.33 gram, and increase in standard length is the 1.28 gram. Next, show the how graphical representation show that which thing is more as compared to group A. This graph show that increase in weight and increase in total length is more as compared to the increase in standard length, but still total length is more as compared to the weight. Next one is the group C. This group C shows that the most important thing is that increase in standard length also increase in group C. It means to say that average all things have balanced in group C. Next slide show that how it show increase in weight is more as compare both of the total length and standard length. 400 grams zeolite shows that increase more higher than all the weight. Weight is more as compared to the total length and standard length. The comparison of the control group 1.44 One thing is specifically remember that zeolites are not added in the control group. Next is the control group graphical presentation, in which show the first increase in weight is increase, but after that time is it will decrease as the merging of the total length, standard length and the weight. It is a comparison in increase in length in centimeters with the help of the centimeters as control group, group A, group B and group C. Last column is the last row shows the average point of view, all of them, group A, group B and C. Next one is the comparison in increase in weight, which shows that the group B is 1.72, group B is 3.44, group C 2.72. Concluded that after the analysis of all this research work, concluded that in influence of zeolite as feed additive used in a specific concentration in pellets form feed for catla have a stimulative effect, has a positive effect on the growth speed of the catla. Maximum speed was observed in catla in order to group C, group B and group A. Group B have as not an average state, but group C has an average in standard, total and weight. Next is the maximum growth of in length was observed in catla was the value of group C is 12.49 and the maximum growth of final weight was observed with the value of 28.08188 grams. If you have any of question, then answer, then I have answer. If you have any question, put them in comment box. I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching this video.